Good morning, student. In last period, we have seen similarity of triangles and test of similarity of triangles. Here we have to study last test for similarity of triangle. This is third test, which is called SSS test for SSS test for similarity of triangles. Before that, we have studied first two tests. First is AA test, then AA test, then SSS test, and last is SSS test. SSS test means side, side, and side. Here, three sides are very important. So we consider here two triangles. This triangle is triangle ABC. And second is that this triangle is K. The measure of sides 1, 2, 3 here, 2, 4 and 6. So in triangle ABC and triangle K, we have to find out here ratio of the corresponding sides. Suppose AB divided by KL is equal to 1 by 2, AB is 1, KL is 2, then BC divided by area is equal to BC is 2, KL is 4, LM is 4, 2 ones are 2 twos are 4. This is also 1 by 2, and last is that AC divided by KM. AC is 3, KM is 6. 3 ones are 3 twos are. Therefore, this is also 1 by 2. It means the ratio of the corresponding sides are equal. It means corresponding sides are in proportion. And remember that when three sides of first triangle are in proportion with corresponding three sides of other triangle, then the triangles are similar. By which test? SSS test. So we can say that triangle ABC similar triangle KM by SSS test. This is third test for similarity of triangle. SSS test for similarity of triangles. So in words we can say that for the correspondence of two triangles, three sides of first triangle are in proportion with corresponding three sides of other triangle, then two triangles are similar. By which test? By SSS test. दोन त्रिकोणाच्या संगतीनुसार पहिल्या त्रिकोणाचे तीन कोन पहिल्या त्रिकोणाच्या तीन बाजू दुसऱ्या त्रिकोणाच्या तीन संगत बाजूशी प्रमाणात असतील तर ते दोन त्रिकोण बा कसोटीनुसार कसे असतात? समरूप असतात. This is about SSS test for similarity of triangle. Do you understand? So, if you have any difficulty, please tell me. This is the about test of similarity of triangle. First is AA test, second is AA test. third is yes test, and fourth is test. So for a given correspondence between the vertices of two triangles, for the correspondence of two triangles, three sides of first triangle are in proportion to the corresponding three sides of other triangle, then that two triangles are similar. By which test? By a test. We have to take here example. Triangle ABC and triangle KLM are similar. By which test? By yes test. Now we have to study here some properties of similar triangles. So remember that the test of similarity of triangles. This is very important. In your examination, we have to ask the question: by which test given triangles are similar? So study here these four tests: A test, yes test, and last is yes test. So property of similar triangles. Next point we have to study here: property of similar triangles. Property of similar triangles. There are three properties for similar triangles. First is reflexivity. Reflexivity means each and every triangle is similar to itself. Reflexivity, it means each and every triangle is similar to itself. Second, symmetry. Symmetry means each first triangle is similar to second triangle, then second triangle is similar to first triangle. And third is that transitivity. Transitivity means if first triangle is similar to second and second triangle is similar to third, then first triangle is similar to. This is the transitivity property. First is reflexivity, then symmetry, and then transitivity. So this is theoretical about similar triangles, test of similarity of triangles, and last is property of similar triangles. Then we have to study here some examples depend on similarity of triangles. So take here first example. So the examples on similarity of triangles, we have to given here three examples. Let us study first example. Are the triangles in the adjoining figure similar? या दोन फिगर मध्ये दिलेले ट्रायंगल सिमिलर आहेत ते ठरवा. इफ यस असतील तर बाय विच टेस्ट, तर ते कोणत्या टेस्ट नुसार सिमिलर आहेत ते सांगायचे. These are the two figures. From these two figures we have to decide that these two triangles are similar or not. Here are two figures in triangle PQR and triangle LM and triangle LM. So in this figure we have to give PQ is equal to 6, QR is equal to 8, and PR is equal to 8. Then LM is equal to 3, MN is equal to 4, and LN is equal to 5. So calculate the ratio of these corresponding sides. First ratio PQ divided by LM. It means 6 by 3, 3 ones are 3, 2s are 2 by 1. This is the first ratio. Second is that QR divided by MN. Value of QR 8, MN 4, 4 ones are 4, 2s are 2 by 1. This ratio is also same. And last ratio is that PR divided by LN. PR is 10 and LN is 5. 5 ones are 5, 2s are 2 by 1. It means the ratio of the corresponding sides are equal. Therefore, we can say that PQ divided by LM is equal to QR divided by M here is equal to PR divided by from these three ratios. And when PQ divided by L here is equal to QR divided by M here is equal to PR divided by M here, it means the corresponding sides are in proportion. And we know that when three sides, corresponding sides are in proportion, then the triangles are similar. Therefore, triangle PQR similar triangle here. But by which test? Yes. By yes. These two triangles are similar, but by which test? Yes. This is the solution of first problem. First, write the given things in triangle PQR and element. These are the given value of sides, and then by calculating its ratio, the ratio of corresponding sides are equal. Therefore, the triangles are similar. By which test? By yes. So, second example we have to study here in triangle ABC. This is a triangle ABC. Segment AP. Segment AP is perpendicular to BC. In triangle ABC, given things that segment AP is perpendicular to BC and PQ is also perpendicular to AC. Remember that BPC and AQC are collinear. Then we have to prove that triangle CPA is congruent to triangle CQ. In triangle CPA and triangle CQ, observe these two triangles, CPA and CQB. In these two triangles, these two are perpendicular. It means they have 90 degrees. So first is that angle ABC is congruent to angle BQC. Each 90 degree. Reason is that each 90 degree. What is the reason? These two angles are congruent because they each 90 degree. Then second, in both the triangles, angle C is common. Angle C is congruent to angle C. Common angle. You have to take the reason common angle. So, when two angles are congruent, remaining angle is congruent. Therefore, these two triangles are similar. By which test? Similar triangle CQB. Similar. Triangle CPA, similar triangle CQB by AA test. Which test? AA test. बघा A कसोटीनुसार हे दोन्ही त्रिकोण काय होतील? समरूप होतील. पण हे समरूप झाल्यानंतर बघा ट्रायंगल CPA similar triangle CQB, but we have to given here AP is equal to 7, BQ is equal to 8 and BC is equal to 12 and calculate this. So we know that when two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in proportion and corresponding angles are congruent. So write here corresponding sides. CP divided by CQ is equal to AP divided by BQ is equal to AC divided by BC. This is called corresponding sides. Corresponding sides. These are the corresponding sides. So by substituting the values, we have to given here AP means here 7 divided by BQ 8 is equal to BC 12. AC as it is BC. So AC is equal to by cross multiplication. AC is equal to 12 into 7 divided by 8. 12 into 7 divided by 8. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. 2 1s are 2, remaining 1. 2 5s are 10. So the multiplication of 1.5 and 7 is AC is equal to 10.5. 15 7s are 105. After decimal 1 digit, so take here the decimal. AC is equal to 10.5. This is the Solution of this problem AC is equal to 10.5. First remember that. First show that triangle CP and triangle CQB are similar. By which test? A test. And by using the property of similarity of triangles. When two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are in proportion. This is not essential. AP divided by BQ, AP value 7 divided by 8, AC as it is, BQ value 12. 12 into 7 divided by 8. So the answer is 10.5. Let us study a third problem given in a trapezium. This is a given trapezium. So given is that we have to prove SR is equal to 5 PQ. So given is that quadrilateral PQRS is a trapezium. We know that it is a trapezium. And in the trapezium, side PQ is parallel to side SR. And we have to given AR is equal to 5 AP and AS is equal to 5 AP. This is the given. To prove, we have to prove here SR is equal to 5 PQ. And काय प्रूव करायचं आहे आपल्याला SR is equal to 5 PQ. So the proof we have to take here. We know that PQRS is a trapezium and PQ is parallel to SR. We have to given here segment PQ is parallel to segment SR. This is given. And we know that when two sides are parallel and here segment SQ is a transversal. या ठिकाणी बघा सेगमेंट SQ ही त्याची काय ट्रान्सव्हर्सल आहे. When two parallel lines intersect the transversal, then alternate angles are congruent. So this angle and this angle is alternate angle. These two angles are congruent. Alternate angle. We know that when two parallel lines intersect the transversal, pair of alternate angles are congruent. So angle SQP is congruent to angle SQP is congruent to angle QSR. Reason is that alternate angles. In shortly we can write as it is SQP means AQP is congruent to angle ASR. Why? Because S dash A dash Q. These are collinear. Remember that SQP means AQP, this angle, and QSR means ASR. This is equation first. Then we have to study here two triangles are similar. Which two triangles are similar? AQP. First triangle is AQP or ASR. ASR and AQP. These two triangles. We have to show that these two triangles are similar. Then these two triangles are similar by which test? We have to study here. In triangle ASR and in triangle AQP and ASR. In triangle AQP and ASR. In triangle AQP and ASR, from first we can write as it is angle AQP is congruent to angle ASR from first. So second is that these two angles are vertically angles. These two angles are vertically angles. So PAQ, angle PAQ is quadrant. So we have to write here angle AQP is quadrant to angle ASR, and second is angle PAQ is quadrant to angle SAR, vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. So we know that in two triangles, corresponding two angles are quadrant, then the triangles are similar. So triangle AQP is quadrant to triangle ASR. By which test? A test. By which test? A test. These two triangles are similar, AQP and ASR. And we know that when two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in proportion. So we can write as it is AQ divided by AS is equal to PQ divided by SR. PQ divided by SR is equal to AP divided by AR. Corresponding sides of similar triangle. In short, we can write as it is corresponding sides of similar triangle. This is equation 2. But we have to give AS is equal to 5AQ. But we have to give AS is equal to 5AQ. Therefore, AQ divided by AS is equal to 5 by 1. This is equation 3. Here AQ, this AS goes to denominator and 5 here 1 by 5. So 1 by 5. Then second is that AR is equal to 5AP. AR is equal to 5AP. Therefore, AP divided by AR is equal to also 1 by 5. This is equation 4. So, AR is equal to 5AP, we have to give it. AS is equal to 5AQ, we have to give 1. So, AQ divided by AS is equal to 1 by 5. Here 1. AR is equal to 5AP. So, AP divided by AR is equal to 1 by 5. So, we can write as it is PQ divided by SR is equal to also 1 by 5. From second, third and fourth. बघा समीकरण 2, 3 आणि 4 वरून PQ divided by SR is equal to 1 by 5 लिहिलं. Therefore we can say that SR is equal to 5 PQ, and this is a by cross multiplication 5 into PQ, 5 PQ, SR into 1, SR is equal to 5. In this way, we can prove that SR is equal to 5 PQ. Remember the step. First write the given things to prove by SR is equal to 5 PQ. For that, we can show the similar triangle AQP and SPSR by taking its corresponding sides. And by given ratio 1 by 5, 1 by 5, we have to take here PQ divided by SR is equal to 1 by 5. Therefore, SR is equal to 5 PQ. In this way, we can solve some problems depends on similarity of triangles. This is about similarity of triangles. So, in next lecture, we have to study some more examples about test of similarity of triangles. This is very easy. But remember that how to solve the given problem. Given things is from our problem, to prove is also from our problem, but only prove and make the steps of this proof. First step, then second step, third step, and last is the proof. So at home, we have to take more and more practice of all these problems. This is very important for your examination. So we shall stop here.